Hello, today is day 39 of 50 days communication marathon, and today's topic is debate topics. Okay, so as you all know, I'm Prathamesh, and today I want to share my thoughts on a debate topic. So I had like some debate topics list uh, on myself. Then I have chose one topic that is the topic is, will AI replace software engineers? So this is a debate topic. Okay, so generally on this debate topic you need multiple peoples, means more than one, but currently I'm going to do this solo. Okay, so for the side one, let's say, for one side, some people might believe that AI can replace the developers. Okay, because currently, as we are seeing, AI can write code, automate some tasks, basic tasks. Okay, and by doing that, it can improve the productivity of a developer, of any person or any person. Okay, so by this, some roles might actually reduce, like um, big companies have peoples for doing small things also. So because AI introduced this automation, automating task thing, and can write basic or can do basic things. So the companies or uh, the companies, uh, the people who were doing those tasks, basic tasks, were redundant for the companies. So those roles can be uh, actually reduced. Okay, so but on the other side, for the people who feel AI won't replace completely, to replace completely software engineers. So why uh, why uh, why won't this be happen? Because AI writes some basic logics. Okay, or if it has written some logic, someone needs to be there to verify that. So first issue is that the logic written by AI needs to be verified by someone, either experienced person or some knowledgeable person who has worked, or who has written multiple codes for multiple years. So this is one thing. Then second is real world understanding. So like as a developer, I know what are the real world situations might happen, uh, and by considering those situations, I can write my code. Like let's say, let's take an example of this RAM. As we all know, RAM is a uh, primary memory, and it is a random access memory. So it requires electricity. If if the current is stopped, then the RAM stops working. So therefore, it requires, if we want it to work continuously, so we need to give it continuous supply of the current. If the current is gone, then the RAM will stop. So this like this, for example, like this, these are the real world situations, and by understanding these situations, the developer writes the code. So this right now the AI can't do this, can't do this comparative, uh, like understand real world issues or situations. And third is like decision making. Let's say uh, there is a certain point where we need to stop developing. Let's say I have 10 list of 10 features which I wanted in my application, and after writing the 10 features, I will stop or freeze my development on that application. I won't write additional code for that application. Okay, after this feature fully tested and working, I won't be doing any further modification inside the code. So like that, freezing the code, that is a decision making, or like that is a type of decision making. So AI, currently AI don't do that. If you give it a input or give it a prompt to do something, it will do, uh, it will do until you won't tell it to stop. Okay, so this was the third thing. And like in my opinion, personally, I think AI will not replace developers, but it will change, or it is changing the way developers working. Okay, like first, we previously we weren't using AI like we do today, like for doing small tasks, then getting some small logic, verifying that, and then adding that into our code. So these things were not done previously, but currently we are doing that to save time. So as I said, it will just change our way of work and not replace the real developers. Okay, for this type of situations, human tendency uh, is like this. Humans adapt the adapt according to the situation. So like that, developers will also adapt to the situation and will grow like their skills using AI. And if means if they adapt, they will grow, and if they don't, if they didn't, then they may struggle finding finding job roles that they previously working on. Okay, so this might be positive and also negative side if you learn or if you don't. So it depends on the action solely on the user or the developer. So for me, this means I need to focus on my strong Java fundamentals or backend fundamentals, and keep learning the new technology that are coming in the market, as well as keep improving my communication so that I can convey my thoughts easily to the other person. So yes, this is how uh, this is this is it for from my side for this topic. And I have remember that, or I'm adding this line again. uh, AI won't be replacing. It is about adapting. Like, you need to learn about the new things that are coming in the market, so that you you will go, or you will grow with the flow. Okay, so that's it for this topic, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm ending my session now.